Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Believe in the magic of tomorrow, and your spirits will be lifted on the wings of hope. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 17, NASDAQ up 6, NASDAQ up 18 rather, S&P's up 3.5. Gold contract trading up $12.40, 1,128 an ounce. Gold's on its way up to the 1165 level. We do want to see a little bit more volume. Check out a swing point today. Has some juice into it. We need more. Silver contract up 10 cents, $14.35 an ounce. Silver needs a bid. Silver has got to get up and over this 1465 area. Platinum flat at $8.70 an ounce. Copper also flat at $2.05 a pound. Light sweet crude down $2.19, trading out at $31.43. Now, oil market, folks, wants to go after its low once again. We'll see how it hits the top of that low, but bottom line, you came down today. You had some volume on the move down. That's going to challenge the lows that were established out here on January 20th. Bond market, the 10-year note down 10 ticks, 129.08. 30 off 6, 160.27. 10-year looks like it has failed. The 30-year is still at highs. King dollar couldn't hold higher price. King dollar went up 1,100 ticks on Friday. As King dollar was going up on Friday, the gold market would not go down. That was your correlation that, guess what? One of them were going to basically, it was divergence. And what did happen out here, dollar gave it up, gold goes up, gold wants higher price, dollar wants lower price. Euro up 60 ticks right now at 108. The yen is trading at 121.04. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And the world of Google, folks. Google's moving markets out here. And what you have, Google just came out with numbers. Google closed at $752. That was up $9. Google right now is trading at $813. Bottom line, it's over its highs. Google was pushing into its highs, had an expansion of volume as it was doing it. This is up and over the 779 high that was established out here on the 29th. And what you have right now, Google's trading at 814. So it's got the punch. As that did go, if you're listening to the last hour, bottom line, whether you were trading inside the NDX 100, the Qs, the Nadex product, bottom line is that you saw the NQs go from a price point of 42.75 up to the 43.07 mark. So Google can move markets after the close out here in a big way and have moved markets. Gold contract first. What do we have with gold? What we have with gold out here is this. Gold caught a bid once again. You did 108,000 contracts. You're trading out at 1128. That's pushing into the swing that was established on the 27th, which is 1128.70 or 1128.90. Expect what you're going to see. Gold wants to go to 1160. More than likely, you're going to see gold make the run up into the October 15th swing high, which is 1191. If we take a look at a couple of the gold equities, Rheingold Resources did 780,000 shares out here today, took out its swing point. Like to say, it's up $1.85. I do want to see it push away from that a little bit more, but bottom line, it did take it out. Want to see the volume a little bit heavier the next couple days. Oil. What do we have with the oil contract? Oil is going to go test the highs of its low. We did 557,000 contracts out here today. Now, the low in this contract, and remember something, folks, oil every month has a new contract. Most futures, it's every 3 months, so oil's every month. The low of this contract here, we're at $31.38. The low of this contract is $27.56. That was established on January 20th. The high of this contract, for that day rather, is $29.75. That's going to get challenged. And if we come down like we were coming down today, that would be saying that, guess what, you can go to the bottom of that, and if in fact you get an expansion of volume, that would be an ABC structure on the way down that would take oil to $22. That would be a heavy move on the way down. Now, King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar gave it up. King Dollar went up 1,000 ticks, 1,100 ticks on Friday. It pulls back. King Dollar's in the bottom of the consolidation now. It wants to make a run down to this 97.22 area. We go over to the SPY, and what you're going to see, this continues to be a dead cat bounce. I do expect that we're at 193.65 at the close. Google, let's see what Google's put into it. So Google hasn't put anything into the SPY right now. The SPY is only trading three pennies higher. What I do expect you're going to see is that Google is going to, the SPY will climb up to this 199.83. You do have a contraction of volume. You know what we have out here today? We did 130 million shares. Friday you did 210 million. If we go over to the NDX 100, we take a look at the NDX 100. That did 31 million today. We're at 104.41. I expect this thing can get up to 109.38. And inside the NDX 100, Google has put some juice inside that. That closed at 104.41. That's trading right now at 104.75. Let's go over to Win and see if Win's come out with numbers just yet. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, Win came out with numbers, so let's see. Win closed at 67.10. That's still trading at 67.10. Let's see. No, it actually hasn't come up yet. Win hasn't come up yet. We're going to have Win for you. Win's going to be coming out with numbers. That's going to affect, of course, Las Vegas Sands. And the way that Win is trading or was trading coming into the close also looks like it's going to catch a bid as they come out with their numbers. We go back to Google, and this is going to be wild. So Google closed, yeah, that would make sense. Google closed at the 752. You're at the 796 right now. The numbers on Google go like this. The estimate was 16.9 billion revenue. They did 17.3 billion. Big numbers. There's no two ways about this. The cost per click has come down 13%. You know, and what you do have here, folks, you can have the cost per click come down, but when you have so many more people advertising on Google and there's so many ways to reach people, guess what? That changes the context, and that's how you get bigger revenues. We go take a look at Mattel. Mattel closed at $26.76. That right now is trading at a price point of $28.22. So that right there, they had sales of 2 billion shares. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed down 17. NASDAQ up 6. S&P's up 2. We're going to be right back.